Hi, let's learn how to edit and update the homepage banner slider. First, log in to your dashboard. Then click on the Pages menu on the left. You will see a list of available pages for the website. Find and click on the page with the title, Homepage. You can also identify the homepage by looking at the front page tag next to the page title. Hover your mouse, then open the link, Edit with Page Editor, in a new browser tab. This will open the page editor in a new tab and makes the editing process much easier. This is the interface of the page editor. You can see the element settings on the left and page preview on the right.
Okay, now we're going to edit this banner slider.
Simply click on it, and the slider settings will appear on the left panel. Let's click on the first slide item. To change the banner background image, click on the Background tab. To change the text title and wordings, click on the Content tab. Any changes will be applied instantly on the preview area on the right. On the Content tab, you can edit the title, description and also the button text and link. The same changes can also be made on the next available slider. Simply click on the other slide item on the left panel. You can also duplicate and delete the existing slides. To change the slider image, just click on the image placeholder and upload the new image using the file uploader. Select the new image, then don't forget to click the Insert Media button. Other elements, banners and layout arrangement on the home page can also be edited by clicking on the item itself, and their settings will appear on the left panel. Please make sure that after each changes, click on the Publish button on bottom left to save all changes. Great! We have learned how to edit the homepage items using the page editor. If you found this guide useful, please consider subscribing to our channel.